Progressively, web apps can be turned into an Android app just by using your default browser, just by adding the link and icon to your home screen. But they are too boring as they don't feel like using an Android app. And eventually, there's a clumsy address bar or the browser menu at the top of the user interface. So hello guys, I'm Shekhar and you are watching TechInc. So in this video, we'll be turning websites into an Android app. So let's not waste any further time. Let's get straight into the video. So first, we'll do the installation and the overall setup, and then let's build our first web turned Android app. The app that makes this possible is fully open source and was created by the developer called Cylonoid. So you just need to go to your default browser and search for the native alpha. It's still in its pre-release phase at this moment, so it's not available on the Play Store. So to get started, you need to go to the GitHub repository of the native alpha app and download the APK file for the same. I will also leave the link for the same in the description down below. Now once the APK has been downloaded, you just need to click on it and install the same. Now once you have completed the installation, launch the app. Now you will be prompted with add your first web app. So use your regular browser to open the website you want to turn into an app. Now tap on the address bar and copy the entire URL. Now head back to the native alpha app and paste the full URL in the provided field and just click on OK. The app will automatically download the site's favicon to use as a desktop icon. You can also tap on the select custom icon, load any image of your choice. Now once you are satisfied, click on OK and then allow all the permissions, and once this setting is done, click on the home screen and boom, your first web-turned Android app is on your Android device as an Android application. There are several benefits here. First, you get an icon that launches you directly into the website without visiting any default browser. Secondly, there is no clumsy address bar at the top of the user interface. Thirdly, you can convert as many websites into an Android app just by clicking this plus icon here and just following the same process as before. You also get navigation gestures, optional ad blocking, and system chosen dark mode on the Android element that appears while browsing. You can review every setting one by one. So this was all for the today's video. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such videos, because I keep making videos like this. So for all of that and more, I will see you in the next video.